And what do you remember about, now after you came into the city, Nairobi?
Nairobi, I only remember, Sarit Center, the places my dad used to take us.
It was known as city within a city.
Oh, I don't even know. So my dad used to take us there on weekends, would ride on those Izo Magari, the games for kids. That's only what I remember. And then I remember going on KBC. Yeah, and then going to some meetings, which I think were Teresia Wairimu's meetings.
Okay.
My dad would go and preach, those kind of things. Yeah, those are the ones I remember.
Which school did you attend?
Lavington Primary.
Okay.
Yeah.
No way.
But that was lower primary before we went back to Machakos.
Also, at some point you moved back.
Yeah, there were teachers. So.
Okay. Oh yeah, teachers especially with the transfers.
So we went to Masii Township. After Masii Township, I went to JK Atine. After JK Atine, I went to Kamodhada boarding in Embu. After Kamodhada, I went to Machakos Primary.
Wow, so you've been to quite a number of schools.
Yeah.
What is it that you remember out of your primary school days with fond memories, especially now that you transcended so many?
Whoa, okay. I didn't like boarding school. Kamodhada. Okay, I love the school.
Did you start boarding when you're in high school or primary?
Primary, class 5. Even high school was boarding, but I still didn't like it. Opening days like today were the worst days.
Yeah, I was telling somebody today, BATA, come on kids, back to school.
Back
there
to
used
school,
to be
yeah.
that advert, yeah.
Well, my husband on the other side, he loved going back to school. He wished they would open on Sunday. But anyway.
Was home that bad?
Maybe.